Hey, it's Stephen D. from Beard Bushido, walking the whiskered way and living the bearded life. Recently we've been doing our budget series, getting into bearding for $20 or less. But what if I told you you could start your bearded journey for only $4? Would you be interested? We're going to talk about that right after the intro. Alright, so you're growing your beard and you decide you wanted to get into the bearded lifestyle. You want to start really taking care of your beard and of yourself. You're looking for products, but you're not sure what you want. Wouldn't it be great if you could just get a free sample? Well, there are a couple of companies that will do that for you, and we're going to talk about those today. The first one I want to talk about is Baddass Beard Company. Baddass Beard Company is a great veteran-owned company, and they will send you a free sample, all right, for the price of shipping and handling. Their free sample looks like this. Comes in a little pouch, all right, and it includes a small bottle of their beard wash. All right, that's their beard shampoo, and you're going to want that because you don't want to use regular shampoo on your beard. You'll get 1 gram of a beard oil in the scent of your choice. This one is the Royal Night. Excuse me, is the Royal Night, and this is a lavender and Earl Grey tea scent. Very nice. All right. And this is a very mild scent. This is one they recommend for the evening. Okay, it's very relaxing. All right. And as you can see, I have used some of that already. I'm not going to put that in right now because we do have another product to talk about. Again, beard balm, just a sample amount. This is about enough if you're someone with a short to medium beard. This is probably about 5 days worth. A longer beard, maybe only 2. Right? But it's enough to give you a try, to let you see if you like the product. I think once you use this, you're going to want more, and you're going to want to try their other scents as well. So this is a great way to start, and if you like this, you can order additional starter packs. They're only $4 a piece plus shipping. So that's a good deal. All right. Now the other company that will send you a free sample is Artius Man. All right. And they will send you a free sample of one of their oils, okay? And this is like, I believe, half of an ounce. All right, so half of a normal size operator. So again, just enough to try. All right, I got, let's see, the Winter's Chill. I believe Winter's Chill is also like a peppermint based. Yeah, that's a very strong peppermint. Okay, smells very nice. If you like mint, you're going to love this Winter Chill. That is great. All right, and then I also got the Midnight Ride. Okay, and their Midnight Ride, this is, I believe, a clove scent. And it's a fairly strong clove scent. This is one of my favorite scents. I did not know if I would like the clove or not, but this really smells wonderful. So again, you're going to take just a little bit of the oil, drop it in your palm, up between your fingers, into your beard. Oh, that's great. That really is. Now I know not everybody likes the scent of cloves. But if you do, you will just go crazy over this Midnight Ride oil. And again, they have a number of different scents you can choose from. It's a great way to try a product out, see if you like it, if this is for you. If it is, support that company, okay? Baddass Beard Company, Artius Man, and again, there's all sorts of other beard oil and beard product companies out there that are really working hard to get your business and to provide you a quality product. So feel around, see what you like, give us a shout out about it. What products have you used that you really enjoy? Put it in the comments, okay? Let us know if you've used Baddass Beard Company or Artius Man. Tell us what you think. We'd love to hear from you. So again, I want to thank you for your time today. Yeah, we've enjoyed talking to you. Again, continue to take care of yourself, stay safe, walk the whiskered way, and live the bearded life. Have a good one.